Now let's move to step 3. In step 3, we'll get some APIs. The most important one is the Supabase key. First, go to the Supabase and create a new project. You can name it after your project. For demo, I'll just use this name. Then, set a password. You can always change them later in the settings. Now, for the location. Try to choose one that's closer to your target audience. For example, if your website is for users in the US, you'd pick a location in the US. For me, I want to balance between the US and Asia. So I'd pick a location like Singapore or Japan. Here, let's go with Japan. Alright, the project has been created. Now we see it's being initialized. Great, the initialization is done. Now go to Project Settings, API. We need to find 3 keys. First, copy the project URL somewhere for backup. Then, copy the public key. And the service key. For this one, you'll need to double-click to copy. Next, we'll get the key for resend. Open the resend website. Find API in the sidebar and create a new key here. Set the project name and leave other options as default. Then copy the key and save it somewhere. Now find the audience ID there. That's all we need for now. Supabase is a must. Resend is optional and mainly for email functionality. For Stripe, we'll cover it in a separate video. Now let's update our local environment variables. Choose this file and rename it to .env. Then paste all the keys you just copied. Check this small black dot here, it means the file hasn't been saved yet. Command S to save. And that's it. We've now completed the necessary API setup